Happy Guru Purnima to all of you. In the last few years, all the AI masterclasses that I have conducted, most of them have been for business owners, professionals. And there is one question when I ask, the entire crowd gets silent. And that silence is very, very expensive. The question is, what is the AI stack you need for your company? For this very problem, I have built something which will help you to understand AI in a perspective which you have never thought before. Welcome to Field Notes, an entire blueprint from my experience on real AI deployments, my speaking and my coaching, and also my AI masterclasses. Thanks to all of you who have sent in your reviews. Let me show you what Field Notes is. Field Notes is a very interactive dashboard where you can simply click on the link here and select your role. Let us say you are a CFO or a sales and marketing leader or a HR leader. Based on the role, the entire page will be updated. And as you scroll through the page, you will find that the AI stack has different layers. They have applications, they have capabilities, it has foundations. Now, you can click any of the options here, let's say reasoning models. And then you can click here. In a very simple language for a non-technical person, it will tell you what is reasoning models, why it matters, but most important, it will also tell you where you will meet it. Same thing you can do about agents and agentic AI. You can simply go on and check out for some graphs which I have created for you as to what is the kind of changing scenario on AI right now. The application layers, the layers where you are really not sure what is a digital twin. You can simply click and you'll get information. But this is exclusively designed for non-technical people to understand in a simple way. Below is a section where you can put in your email address, your name, and you can simply say add to the list so you get your next field notes. Absolutely role-based, interactive web page experience on AI. This, to start with, is the AI taxonomy. Very important for any person over here to understand what happens when you say AI. What is the entire stack? Field Notes is your answer, and you can keep on, rather than looking at hundreds of videos or thousands of blog posts, one single web page before you go for your next meeting. I want you to be successful in AI, in deploying it, but for that you should know what is AI. Field Notes. Happy Guru Purnima to all of you again.